Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to show you how to make this moving bird beak right here. And it's a box too. See? If you just push that crease down and this crease down, it's a box and you can put something inside. Okay? Alright. Ready, set. Here goes. So, get a square sheet of paper, okay? And I'm going to make a red one, so let's begin by folding in half. Okay, just like this. Now unfold and fold in half the other way. Okay, just like that. Now unfold, and now let's fold the 4 points to the middle. So like this. Okay. Okay, just like that. Alright, now turn over and let's fold in half. Okay, just like that. Unfold and fold in half the other way. Okay, just like this. Alright, now let's fold this up like this and turn over and fold this up. Okay. Alright, now open here like this and squash or flatten it down like that. Okay. So here we have a blintz square base. Okay. Which means we blintzed first and then we made it into a square base. Okay. This is what a regular square base looks like. Okay. See? But yeah, but it starts with this square base. Okay. Alright, now let's fold this point up to the top. Okay, unfold, and now what we're going to do is we're going to lift this up like this, and we're just going to pinch on that crease right here. See, just pinch on the crease like that, and it goes up like that. Okay, now let's repeat on this side. Just lift this up like that, and just push this up like that. Okay, just like this. Just make sure everything's sharp. Okay, like that, and now turn over and repeat. So fold it up, unfold and lift this up, and squash this. Okay, just like that. Okay, so here we have the basic chomping bird beak. Okay, so you could end there, but to make it like this, here we go. So what we're gonna do is to make this have you know, like these things on it. I don't know what, I forgot what these are called, but to do that we're gonna make a couple outside reverse folds. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open here like this, and we're just gonna fold that down like that. Okay, let's look on this side. But the fold is not going to be right across. The folds are going to be slanted. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold this down, and you just want to make a little slanted, you want to make a little slanted fold right there. Okay, it has to be slanted, not straight, but slanted. Okay, like my pointer. Yeah. Alright, like that. Just make sure it's slanted, just like that. Okay, this is to taste, so yeah, it doesn't matter like how much. You could do it down here if you want, probably. But I'm going to do it up here, okay? And repeat on this side. Just make a little slanted fold like that. That just goes up to the middle. Okay? I'm using this as a pointer because I don't have a pencil with me right now. Okay? Alright. And now, just close it up like that. Okay? And there's the outside reverse fold. Okay? Now let's repeat on this side. So, open here. Fold this down. Make a little slanted fold that goes to the middle. And on this side. And close it up. Okay, that should be fairly easy. Okay, just like that. And it's pretty cool like this too. But to make it have a box in the middle, we have to turn over like this and okay, now before we make the box, if you find that if you open it, if you find that these edges are kind of coming out more, then I made them like this, that's why, okay? And to do that, we're just gonna, this is optional, so, but I want it like this, so, I'm gonna fold it up about like this. It doesn't matter how you fold it. This is a fold to taste, okay? Just like that, okay? We're just making the edges so that they don't, you know, get crooked like that, okay? And repeat on the side. This point doesn't have to touch the edge, okay? This is to taste, okay? And close it up, okay? And let's repeat on this side. Just fold it up like this. Okay? And repeat on this side. Okay? And close it up. Okay, just like that. See? Yeah, that's better. See, the edges are not getting all, you know, crooked. Okay? And that's good. I like it like this better, because it's cleaner that way. Okay? Alright, so now, let's make the box in the middle. See? If you forgot what the box is, this is what it is. See? Right in the middle there, you can put some inside. Okay? So, to do that, we're going to open here, and we're going to pinch mountain folds along here, okay? So if you want the box to be bigger, then make the mountain folds further up more, like here. But if you want a small box, then you can just make them like right here, okay? I'm going to make a mountain fold about maybe right here. About right here is good, okay? So, like let's just pinch mountain fold like that. Right in between the creases, okay? And on this side, it's going to be tricky, but yeah, like that. Pinch mountain fold like that, okay? And on here, and on here, like that, okay? Just like that. Okay, so there's our box, okay? And to make the folds extra sharp, we can just fold it diagonally in half like that, okay? Just fold it diagonally in half, and then you can just make them sharp like this, just crease them like that, okay? And on this side too. Okay. And in the other way too. So yeah, the box is optional. If you weren't able to make the box, that's alright. The box is hard, okay? Alright, and now unfold it to make the point go down, and there is our box. Okay? Yeah. This is an origami candy cane that I learned from Jeremy Schaefer Origami, okay? Those of you who don't know Jeremy Schaefer Origami, he has an awesome YouTube channel. His channel is my favorite, okay? Just like that. So, like that, and it can also stand, okay? So yeah, play around with this model. It's pretty fun, okay? So, there it is. Alright, well, hope you managed to fold that, and comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.